If we fail to produce sufficient food domestically, might result in importing food at higher prices from abroad, said Commerce Minister Farooq Khan. It would be possible to produce 3.25 crore metric ton food grain domestically in the coming season. Farooq added and mentioned that government already subsidized 6,500 crore taka for farmers and agriculture sector.
আমি জানি যে ভর্তুকি দেওয়া is not the best of the business practice. আমরা যদি এই ভর্তুকিটা না দিই তাহলে কি হবে? ভর্তুকিটা না দিলে উৎপাদন কম হবে। উৎপাদন যদি কম হয় তখন আমাদেরকে বিদেশ থেকে আমদানি করতে হবে।
Minister also said that there is an initiative to provide farmers solar-driven irrigation equipment to ensure power supply for agriculture. To achieve a strong economic position, agriculture, infrastructure and power sector should be developed, said Farooq.
Business development করতে হলে infrastructural development আমাদের খুব প্রয়োজন। Power sector improvement এর প্রয়োজন। But at the same time, I am sure you all know, being very, very intelligent and practically আপনারা জানেন যে মুখে বললে তো আর power sector improve করা যাবে না।
For improving electricity generation, we already start talks with Russian authorities to establish atomic energy production plant, said Commerce Minister. Government already sanctioned 185 crore taka for port development, as an automated port is essential for business-friendly environment, said Commerce Minister. Siddiqur Rahman Nadim, News and Images, Dhaka.